Sometimes I don't give this boy enough credit though. Golf. Mark IV Golf. She's looking fire. What's up, guys? Today we're back again. This time we got some goodies for the Super today. So let's see. What do you guys think it is? Something crazy. Not yet though. So let's see. Today we got a hard pipe. Nice one. It's a nice finish. This is gonna go right there. It's gonna replace this nasty just plastic with this nice finish. Look at that. It's gonna be clean. It's not a bunch of hardware. Came with, let's see, some couplings, I think. These nice blue couplings. Look at that. It's clean. I think it came with some clamps also. Yeah, it came with some clamps. Some really nice clamps. She's gonna look clean. I think so. She has this what is it called? I think it's the water temperature sensor, but I don't really think this works. So I'm in the process of getting all new gauges for the Supra. Like you guys saw in the last video, the old gauges don't work. I think the only one that actually works is the oil pressure sensor, which is kind of weird. It is what it is. I'm gonna have that replaced, or I'm gonna replace it myself. We're also gonna see if we can get some replacements for this, and who knows, maybe. What do you guys think? Me painting this like crinkle black or something like that. You know, I think it'd look nice. I think it'd be pretty good. Or I might even get a whole new intake manifold, but I'd have to figure out the plumbing and stuff. You know, the fuel rail and stuff like that. We'll figure it out though. Yeah, we also got some other things. We got, oh shoot, we got the side skirts, or the ducks, you know. Shoot, let me see. As you guys know, oof, black door. She didn't come with side skirts, but you know, I got super lucky with these, and some dude was selling them. I commented on the post on the Super forums, and he was selling them. No one wanted to buy them, so you know, I already started sanding this side. You know, I'm gonna get a paint, everything. You know, but look, she's gonna start looking clean. Everything's coming together slowly but surely. Excited. Let's go ahead. See, let's start out. I don't think there's any water in here yet, but just to be careful, we're gonna I don't think there's water there, but alright, see, I'm gonna time lapse this right here. Go back. There she is. It's not bad. This is the old nasty one. You know, I'm not a professional whatsoever. Like, I probably lost way too much. There's probably an easy way to do this. But, as you can see, you know, I was struggling, but, you know, we got her in. She's pretty nice. You know, I still gotta put in some clamps here and there, but not bad. The sensor, you know, look how Jimmy rigged that sensor is. I know that they make these nice little sensors that they're just like a coupling, so I might just do that. We'll figure it out though. Yeah. You know, some of you guys might be like, dang, dude, this kid doesn't know anything. Like, you know, but I'm learning. I'm trying to learn, you know, trial and error. You know, my biggest concern sometimes, like, with trying to work on this car is that I'm scared that I'm going to break something. Or that I'm not going to be able to afford to buy, like, a whole new part or this and that. Or I can't find it. But, you know, I know life is about getting past those things and, you know, moving forward and trying to learn from your experiences and trying to, you know, if I never do it, like, how am I gonna know if I can't do it? You know what I'm saying? You know, so I'm trying to learn, you know. And thank you guys again for commenting and being so nice. You know, you guys are really cool, and you know, I shouldn't get too sappy. You know. Yeah, you know, thank you though. Thank you for at least watching this video. You know, so button her up. Look how much freaking liquid we lost. Shit. We're gonna have to go get some more coolant and top her off. You know, because I think I lost some back in there. You know, I think on the bottom. Shoot, I think yeah, I gotta clean that up and everything just so nothing is like all jiggly and stuff. Let's get back to it. Look at that. That is nice, you know. It's just, you know, something subtle makes it look so much nicer. It's clean. I think my next thing also is I'm gonna try to see if we can get this body line to match. I took the fender off and I don't think I put it in right, so that's why there's a big old gap right here. You know, this is another thing I gotta fix. But that's why there's a big old gap there, and there's like barely any gap right there. Then I gotta push her down into the side. Let me try that real quick. I think it's just way better. It was way too tight here. I think that's just nicer. Yeah, it's not bad. So look at that side. Yeah, that's way better. I still need to figure out the door jam. It doesn't sit right. Like, I'm not, like I said again, I'm not a professional, so when I put this door in, Obviously this is indented in, but I feel like it could dent out, but this right here is what concerns me. Like it's seated all the way well in, but I'm not really sure how to close this gap. Might have to push the door forward and stuff. Yeah, but that gap is way better. It doesn't like pinch up here. You can see it's pinching. She's still clean. That door. I am buying some supplies and learning how to. I might see if I can get this door painted. Either me, just painted white. Is super white is what the Supra is. I really like the white, so I really want to keep her white. I'm also gonna buy a lip. I'm probably just gonna buy like the cheap old eBay lip. Nothing too crazy. Just like a TRD style one. I know that the true TRDs are expensive. Everyone wants freaking arm and leg for them, but it is what it is. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe if you're trying to keep being part of the journey. You know, I'm not a professional, but we'll learn together. I know a lot of you guys aren't professionals either, so, but the golf. But yeah, you guys have a wonderful day and keep learning. You guys have a good day. See ya.